Travelers, I'm about to go on a Niagara Falls tour and I wanted to take you with me. We're starting off with a thing they don't normally do on the tour, supposedly. This is the gorge where Niagara Falls used to be.
Tragically, on the first test run, 36 people aboard the raft capsized, 3 people were killed. So needless to say, they never again attempted whitewater rafting rides. Now, as I mentioned to some of you, there are a couple boats that come down here. One's called the Whirlpool Jet Boat, and it goes through some class 4 rapids around the bend, and it'll come right up to the whirlpool. Of course, you're going to get drenched in this boat.
Next up, we head to the Maid of the Mist. The boats come every 15 minutes. I get to be the first one on the next boat. There's a top and a bottom deck, and our tour guide said that your best place is actually over here on the front of the boat instead of up top. Dressed in my evening attire, I have secured my spot right here at the front of the boat. Ha! It's a lot of fun being up there, but it's so rough that I couldn't film or see anything. So there's these seats back here. I just figured I'd come sit for a second. We have a rainbow. There's Journey Behind the Fall.